Hello again, everybody. Welcome to our Breakaway C box breaks for the 2013-2014 Panini Playbook, box break number 27. Here's the last time up for auction. There's Edmonton. Center of the box is NE206-549-829. That's NE206-549-829. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. So the short print base, 7 out of 10 for the Red Wings of Pavel Datsyuk. Got a breakout jersey card for the Oilers of Neil Yakupov, 106 out of 199. The book last. Base card for the Flyers of Claude Giroux, 5 out of 249. And we finish off with a rookie booklet for the Philadelphia Flyers of Scott Laughton. So nice hit for the Flyers to finish it off. It is number 88 out of 199. And thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.